If you have spent your whole working life planning on retiring and traveling the country or the world, you need to know that Medicare, for all intents and purposes, it really stops at the US border. Now I know, if you buy a Medicare supplement policy and you read the policy, it will say that you're eligible for up to $50,000 of coverage outside the country. I know maybe 2 people, and of the tens of thousands of people we've helped over the years, that have been able to collect on that. So I'm not saying that it's not available. I'm just saying in practice, I have not found it to be a viable benefit. So I tell all my clients, if you leave the country, you need to get international medical coverage. Now, most people buy lost luggage, trip cancellation, and yes, this insurance can have that included. But people don't think about medical coverage, which is much more important than lost luggage and trip cancellation. And it's not that expensive. The Medicare Family can help you explain the different plans that are available and help you enroll and get your card printed off very quickly. Before you go on any trip outside the country, you want to make your first call to us. Now, how about you take cruises? Cruises within 6 miles of the US coast will be covered under your Medicare insurance, either a Medicare supplement or a Medicare Advantage. You go out of that 6-mile zone and boom, now you might be completely out of pocket. Like I said, a Medicare supplement plan could cover up to $50,000. Now, to get that $50,000, you have to prove it was a Medicare approved service. Then you have to pay it. Then you have to get all your records translated from Thai or whatever and submit it for reimbursement. And you can see why this is such a hassle and why it doesn't happen for most people. Medicare Advantage will not cover you outside the country at all. Oh, it definitely stops at the border. And many HMOs don't cover you outside of your immediate network in your state. So something you need to think about when you travel is you always want to get international travel insurance to cover not just your lost luggage and your trip cancellation, but what happens if you die overseas? You know, a lot of people that are traveling are older, and if you die, it can cost over $35,000 to bring a body back. That's very expensive and it's very burdensome. If you're in a terrorist incident where you have to be evacuated, and we had people in that situation in India when they bombed the hotel in India 5 years ago. If you are in a hospital and you need translation services, that happened to my mother-in-law. She broke her ankle going down a castle in Germany. She was in a hospital in Germany for a week. You had to pay for all those out-of-pocket expenses, and we couldn't get her back. She had to stay there to get treatment there. So I can tell you a lot of stories why this insurance is a lifesaver, a pocketbook saver, and it's just not that expensive. So call us, the Medicare Family. We're here to help. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.